Mukuru wa Poorisi Okutaahirirwa yarutandika rukubwa n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abarimo b'ebyo kwerinda abebembezi no mundiginya wa bwamba. Okutaahirirwa Mukuru nurwije bwa nyuma y'2013 abanyambundo okusyata batakamanyirwe kibina kibarumu baherize kutahira district ziri mu Kasese, Bundibugyo na Fort Portal.
And assess the situation, how it is, and see where I can make interventions as the Inspector General of Police with my team, but also to reassure our people generally that security is there, and we as security, we are going to continuously provide the security, but calling upon all our people to be vigilant. In case of anything suspicious, they should be telling our people.
Ekikorwa eki kikasiga enkambi ibiri z'amaho mu district ya Bundibugyo zokibwe kandi omusirikare wa UPDF n'omukazi we bafire.
The police have already brought in more personnel, but we are going to even increase more personnel within these few weeks. So, and also other support equipment like transport equipment and other facilities.
Omuri Fort Portal ebyaro bishatu bukataahirirwa babebembeza butwagambaho nabo batendereza b'ebyo kwerinda.
And we are wondering why now, why is the peace being disorganized? Why are people destabilizing our area? This is an issue that I call upon the technical people, I call upon the government to investigate.
Itwera tuenda kusinge regardless ya endimi tukubaza urundi enganda zaitu akoba byona enganda zaitu na endimi design ya Ruhanga.
Omuganda makuru mukuru wa Poorisi basi byakagaba abandi zo mu district ya Kasese naho abina zibatahirire kandi ashabira abantu obutabuzabuzubwa.
I'm glad that we are all working together, we are using the same lens, looking at these security problems, and all our efforts are geared towards the provision of security and the development of our country.
Abirari Arvelina Gardens omutawuni ya Kasese. Ogwagarikire yasiima obusinga bwa rwenzururu kwatanisa hamwe n'ebindi bitongore bya gavumenti bakamaraho emihondano ebire yabarukaho muri Kasese.
But also one message to our people, let them not allow to be misguided and confused, but we are aware that those are few people, and definitely we shall isolate them and continue working for the prosperity of this country.
First of all, to thank the Inspector General of Police for visiting us in the kingdom, and also for the kind words he has given to us, but also thank the whole leadership of police for actually working with us. Reporter
neyoreka ngo abantu 40 nibo bisirwe kandi igana bakakwatwa Okutaahirirwa kwabiro muri Kasese, Bundibugyo na Kabale. Amakuru agasha kwa Ndyamusiimanta na Gilbert Mhanguzi.